How to fix Xiaomi 15 won't send text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then click on manage apps. And then search here messages. Then click on storage. Now here you can clear your storage data. After clear your messages storage, then go back to your home screen and check your network connections. After checking your network connection, then open settings and click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. And now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and then click on more connectivity options. And then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.